guys, it's Gabriel Sully from GS Tech Review, and today we're gonna have a quite of an interesting video. So it's gonna be an unboxing. The reviews and the full impressions are gonna come later because that's how it works here. So the product, as you just saw, will be the Fitbit Inspire HR watch. So as you can see already, we have a lot of information directly on the box, and I will get to the details in a few seconds. But from what we see, it's a pretty simple design of a Fitbit as we regularly know them. It looks cool, the display looks fine to me. And you know, it's a Fitbit Inspire and it has an HR. It's written HR on it. So for you guys that don't know what it means heart rate. You see? It's 24/7 heart rate. So it's a constant heart rate sensor. So it's like to tell you how your heart beats and everything. You guys know what heart rate is. So that's what the video is going to be about. I'm really excited and got my knife, got my product. Let's go to the unboxing. So here we are at the unboxing of this little product here. So you're going to see throughout this video that they mention the heart rate part a lot. They mention it here and many other places, like just here. So there's 3 times this heart rate just in front of the box. So the reason behind this is because that the heart rate function, the heart rate tracking function, is what distinguishes this from the other Fitbit Inspire. That's why it's different. That's why the product exists like this. That's why it's different. So they're really gonna focus on that. So just if we go on the back of the box, we have a little bit extra specs like we have more details on the specs. So we have the 24/7 heart rate tracking again. It's swim proof. It tracks steps, distance, and calories burned. Smart Attack automatic exercise tracking. So I guess that means that it knows when you're starting to exercise. It has 15 plus exercise modes and many other stuff. That's really cool. We have all of this on the side plus a little bit info, and so we have sleep tracking and smartphone notifications. Something that's cool that I just realized is that this thing has a 5-day battery life. So technically, what would that means that you could wear this without charging it for 5 days straight and still have a little bit of your battery left at the end of this 5 days. This is something that's cool because if it has sleep tracking, you're not gonna be able to charge it at night, right? So you're gonna charge it when you don't wear it, like when you know that you're not gonna do any sports or anything. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention it shows the time. That's something you would expect from a watch. So it's the time to open it. Let's go for the opening of the box. So it's a different unboxing experience from the other products I unboxed recently, like the Empower headphones and the Huawei phone. It's different because this thing comes, it's like a box in a box. That's something different. So right here we have the Fitbit Inspire. We have the actual product. That's what it looks like. And what do we have more? We have, how do we even open this? We have some paperwork, some safety things and everything, how to set it up on your phone, which I'm going to explain later. We have the charging cable and a band. So this is the smaller band. You can change it to the larger one. So it's a USB to some type of magnet charging, or with the little pin. It's working with the little pins. So from what we see right here, this looks like a great product. And just listen to this little bit of noise. Just gonna put it closer to the mic. Ta-da! So this is the product. So that's the Fitbit inspire HR out of its box and with every feature you would expect. So we're gonna be setting it up in another video, but for now we're just gonna look over what it looks like and everything. So to me, it's quite a big display. You can almost compare it to this little watch that I'm sure all of you kids had when you were younger. It's pretty big for a watch. So you see the heart rate sensors and this little thing that's gonna be used to charge the watch. That's where you're gonna plug your little charger. Your little pins are gonna go against each other and then it's gonna charge. You have your heart rate tracker. So that's the thing that's hyping up everybody about this watch, because as they mentioned it like at least 7 times on the box. So that's the main feature. That's the main reason why you would buy this one over the other one. So this is how it looks. Maybe I'm gonna have to go for the larger wristband because, you know, my wrist is kind of big. But for now, just like this, it looks kind of cool. It's not too big. It's kind of a little bit. It's a little bit thick, but like, you know, we like it like that. The watch is, you feel that it's strong, that it's not gonna break. So that's what I like in this watch. And let's go back to a little bit of more explanations and video. So as you just saw, I took this little watch out of its box and it came with quite a few things. Not a lot, but a little bit. So you have your charger and an extra wristband, because people with bigger wrists, they know how it feels to have something too tight. So for the charging, little thing I just realized, it's really easy to charge it, because as I expected it to be, it's a little magnet. So you just set your watch like this on it and it stays there. I guess it's to recreate that little Apple Watch experience, that when you put it on your magnet thing, your magnet charger, it just connects like by itself. You don't need to place it exactly on the right spot. So that's probably why they made it a magnet, and it's really easy. You don't really get messed up because of the magnetic fields. You know, it won't let you put it on the other direction, so you just have to make sure it's perfect. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna be doing a review and full impressions soon, so stay tuned for that. You may as well subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna link this product in the description, and I'm probably gonna link other stuff. So for today, that's it. So I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks again for watching. Peace out.